Kung gusto mo ng date idea na may konting thrill at archery na yan. So we tried yung archery sa The Attack Arena in Ayala Mall, Circuit Makati. And let me tell you, ang saya besh. Pero sobrang sakit ng braso namin afterwards, I swear. And we just did yung 1 hour session. Grabe, nakakagigil siya in a best way. Parang ka nag-upper body workout sa kanya. Tapos si Beshi, may isa siyang tira na literal na lumampas sa target paper at dun sa wall tumama. Sobrang tawa ko dito sa moment na to. Tapos meron siyang bonus, hindi ko alam na kasama pala siya. Meron siyang shuriken throwing din dun sa gilid. So kung gusto mong magpaka-ninja, I think this is sobrang perfect sa'yo. And for the price, I will just show it on screen. Sobrang affordable lang niya and I think you and your friends will enjoy it. Overall, I highly recommended this one. So you just need to bring your friends or your partner and enjoy this game and magpaka-cat ever din kayo for a day. Try this and let me know how it goes.